I give it.
To the right. So that means Frankie picks one from you.
No! Wow! Almost did it. First, like. And I'm gonna get up to the top. I can't. Really? I almost.
You can try again. Go for it.
I've got on the top.
You have some strong arms.
I'm gonna get down now.
Do you want a banana?
Banana for Jack?
Because you're a monkey boy.
No, thank you.
Let's see the guns.
Huh?
Let's see the guns.
What a gun?
Muscles.
Chopped. Won't you glide my sleigh tonight?
Oh, I got a perfect one too.
The perfect one, Joe says. Let me see.
Nope, it's not as good as yours. This one's not perfect. I found it stuck to something.
A lot of mine have been like that.
That one's perfect.
Mommy,
Hmm.
it's bomb. Every dumping.
It's fun to dance in the rain.
What?
You said it's
That
bomb.
make funny faces at the kids.
Yeah.
We're staring at you. Why did you not do it?
Wow.
Are you done? Frankie's the winner. Looks like it's a tie. Still chewing? Still chewing? Who's done?
Done.
It's a tie.
Ah, but I'm the winner of the parents.
You need to get moving. Well, I'm full now, so we should just go home. We should just go home for naps. I'm just kidding.
You want to go home and have a nap? Okay.
No. No, Mommy's just kidding. I want to go to the trampoline place. Mommy, you can go to the trampoline place.
It's up to Daddy.
I can't go. No, I really want to go. Please. He did jump.
He's smiling.
No. I want to go.
Hey, Daddy's smiling. That means he's kidding. Jeez,
We
calm
can go.
down.
Yay.
Only after Yvette cries.
She's got the eye roll down pat.
I'm going to go.
Looks like she's going cross-eyed for a second.
Not yet.
This is what
I'm just gonna watch my
first
face.
grade is teaching our daughter.
Mommy, can you go watch our face now?
Yeah, let's go.
We are already here to the trampoline park. Have a good day. Bye.
You excited?
Yeah.
It's raining on us.
Yeah, I like the rain, but I'm gonna walk in the rain.
You're gonna walk in the rain?
No rain, so I'm gonna walk in.
The rain's out and you're gonna walk in it. You remember this place?
Yeah.
We've been here once before.
Yeah.
No, we've been to this one once and we went to the other one. Oh, thank you. Joe, we've done that before.
Okay.
I think you just need to do it.
Okay, go ahead.
Come on, guys.
Remember the bracelets?
Yeah. You know what? Let me stand right here in line. I'm going to ask this lady a question. Hi, if I've already been here before and signed the waiver, do I need to do it again?
No, you should be good for a year.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. Okay, let's go in line. Are you guys in line? Okay. You're going to get a bracelet, I think, right now. Yeah. It's busy. Are you excited? Where's your game face? That's your game face? That's a good game face. Where's your game face? Okay, rock and roll. I think the key is to start in the middle. Almost. Did that hurt?
You're first out.
I know.
Yeah.
Jeez, Joe. Take it easy.
Hold on, I'm just waiting. Oh, okay. I wait till. Oh, okay. All right. All right.
I almost hit the hockey, but I fell.
Yeah.
I mean, in the middle, but I fell.
Oh, try it again.
You're out.
Well, I know that.
Did you get out?
Yeah.
You left that out?
Okay, now
She hasn't done it yet, though.
She just stands there. Now she's about to get hit.
Hey, buddy, you gotta slide down.
No, because he's there.
Are you forfeiting? You're giving up?
Get back in until you get hit. You're supposed to
You
play
haven't
until
been
you get
hit.
I don't want to.
You're awfully sweaty.
Where's Frankie at?
Did you make it? Did you do it? Let's go, Frankie man.
I did it.
What about Yvette? You're such a handball.
Yes,
I want to see Vet do it. Let's go, girl. Woo! Woo! Go, Frankie, go. You having a good time?